Hello guys. So today we are going to start this Angular 23. So today is the day one where we can see how to install the node, how to install the Angular CLI, how to install the VS Code for performing the development, and how we can start to create the project. So these kind of things we will see in day one, and then in the day two we'll see like how we can do the next steps for developing this Angular CLI applications. Okay, so I'm not going to waste much time for installation part. So only just I will need to be give the hint like how need to be start with the installation. So your all people having the same installation in your system. So in the practice purpose, we do not have any conflict. Okay, so I will paste these all the links in my descriptions in the video description, so you can refer that video descriptions and get the correct website where you will get the correct installation part. Okay, so I will only just guiding the things here. So this is the first link where you will get the node package, so which you need to be download. Once you will click on this, see, it depends upon your OS, like you want to install with this for Windows or Mac. You need to be select here this drop down. So I'm having the Windows, then I'm going to be like download this. Once you will click on this download, you will get that package here. So I already downloaded. So once it is very simple to be installed. Like once you will like click on this, and it will ask you next, and you can install it. It's already there in my system. That's why I'm not doing this. So once you're done with these steps, right? What you need to do? You need to go to the like official website for the Angular, like in angular.tab.installation. So in that, what you need to do? You need to be perform this command in your command prompt. So you can take this copy npm install uh, fng and Angular CLI. So this is the command what they will what it will do, it will give you the CLI package installation. So it is the globally install those packages. So once you done this command in your command prompt, I will show you the how you will do this. Only just you have to copy and paste it there. And then click on enter. So it will install some of the package which is required for the Angular. So once you've done this, what you need to do next step is like you should be having this VS Code, or it's not like you should be having VS Code. If you have the Visual Studio also, it can work. But best is utilize this VS Code because uh, it's easy to be manage the things in the VS Code for Angular because we are working this as a front end. So we need to be download this. Once you click on this Windows download exe, you have to install this next only it will ask, and you can install it. So once you're done with these three things, then what you need to do? You need to open your CMD. It's taking time because I don't know, it is getting slow my system today. So we are opening this cmd commands, and inside this what we need to do, we need to be like uh, check like the ng, like we have installed the correct version or not. So the command which you need to be perform ng version. So once you click on enter, it will give you the like Angular CLI version which you have installed. So because we are talking about this Angular 20, so it should be 20. So if you see here, right? So we have the Angular CLI version is 20, Node is 22, and whatever the latest right now we have installed that one. And package should be package manager should be npm, that is the 10.9.3, and operating system is the Windows. Okay, so you have to perform this for verifying like you have installed successfully all the three things or not. So now what we need to do, we need to be like create the project. So how you will create the project? First, you have to be decide like which drive you want to create the project. Okay, so I'm going to be like create the project in the F drive. Okay, so I'm having a space in the F drive, so I can create my project in the F drive. So what is the command we need to be follow for creating the project? Write ng new new and give your project name. Like you can give like my project. Okay, so you are creating the project with the name of my project. So click on enter. So it will create the project structure in this location. So the project name is the my project. So it will take some time to be created because it will ask some of the things from your side. So it is asking like you want to be utilize the css for this project or not. So you have to say yes. And next it will ask you like do you want the server side things or static things. So right now I will go for no, because it is the simple project which I am creating. And then it will ask like you need this john.js. We'll discuss this in the later. So right now you can click on no, and then it will ask again one more times. You have to hit on enter. So it's basically installing all the required packages which is required for this Angular. So it will take some time. Like it's depends upon your internet speed. If your internet is very fast, it will install all the packages fast, and it will create the project structure in your particular drive. Just wait for some time. So we'll see like how much time it will take. Mostly it will not take more than 1 minute. It is pulling all the required packages which is required like angular.jsons, package.jsons, readme, md, tsconfig JSONs. So those are the configurations which is required for our like projects, and it is creating the root app.htmls. Because I'm talking about this Angular 20, so we have some latest update for the Angular 20 as compared to the Angular which we earlier used, right? So earlier you people are seeing the structure which is the different, but in the Angular 20 we have the different structure. You will observe once I will open the project in the VS Code, so you can easily identify what kind of the changes, architecture change we we have observed there. I cannot interrupt also in between because we'll lose the dependencies which is creating. So let it be running. So maybe my internet speed is slow today. That's why it is taking time. But in your case, it won't happen. So that's it. It's done. So our project structure is created. So how you will validate it in so we have created the project name, right? So how you will go to that project name? So cd we have given my project. Okay, you have to go to that project, and then what you need to do, because I already told like you have to install Visual Studio, because we are going to see the code in the Visual Studio. So we are going to be open this project in the VS Code. Sorry, actually not Visual Studio, it's a VS Code. So if you done the installations, then need to be perform this one command which I'm telling you, code space dot, and once you will click on enter, it will open the code in this project in your VS Code. So we'll see here first. See, our code structure is like here, and we have created the my projects. So in the my projects we have this VS Code, and then we have this node modules where we have the all dependencies, and we have this public, and then in the source we have this app folder. In the app folder we have app.config, app.cs, app.htmls, app.route, and app.space.ts, app.ts. Index is the main component for us, like so if you see here, right, you will be confusing right now, like how the component is missing here. App dot component dot config earlier we are getting. So it is the Angular 20. Latest they have changed the structure, and you can slowly you can understand like what kind of what kind of the update we got from the Angular 20. So next thing is we need to be run these applications. So how you will run these applications? You have the command, right? So you have to perform ng serve open. So ng serve space, and then write the open. Then definitely it is going to be launch you whatever the applications you have in your VS Code. So it is building first. It is going to be checked like there is a uh, first time we are building this, so it will take some time, and it will launch these applications in your browser. So basically this see, it's hosted local host. This is the port it is running. So we'll copy this, and we'll see here like it is running fine or not first. So if we run this, you will be able to see like whatever the new project we have created. My, if you see here, right, my project is coming the name So it is the project which we have done for this. So it is the first layout, which is the default layout which we have. So we will do this kind of the change in the upcoming videos. So this is my first video. That's why I don't want to like mash up the things much here. Only just the installation part I need to be covered today, and make you people ready to be installation things. Then in the coming days, if we do any practice, then there is no problem for others also. Thanks for watching this video, and please be ready with the installation and all. So in the next video you will see how we need to be create the uh, project, how need to be create the forms, how to be write our logics in the TS, how we can utilize the pipes, all the things we can discuss here. Whatever the Angular 20 we can do it, everything we need to be done in that. So only just what I'm requesting you people to be like, subscribe my channels, please subscribe, and then get the notifications once it actually I'm preparing this because of I don't want much time to be uh, for the videos. Only just I'm taking very short videos and explaining the whole concept. And please subscribe and do the like button. Thank you very much.